Hey guys, someone has done really awesome job. You see, in play, they applied this paint. They should not be. But now the question arrives, this is drywall. So how you're going to do it without damaging the drywall? Because like I know some of you will say that put something and then use wire brush or something to shrug it out. But it's a drywall which is not very strong and may get damaged, right? So what you can do, you can take a small piece of cloth or something, soak it in acetone. Okay, now acetone evaporates, so you have to be quick. I mean, if you put acetone on the cloth, then if you have bottle or something, make sure you keep the lid closed when you do it, and you got to be quick. So what I'm gonna do, I have done it. Now I'm just gonna wipe it. You see, it's coming out right away. You may need to do multiple runs depending upon the amount of paint that you have to take off. Okay, someone has done really marvelous job here that I am fixing it now. As you can see, it's coming back to the original, but yes, you may need to do more work. But yeah, this is the method. You may need to do it multiple times. I don't want to hold you for long. And once you see it comes in the original form, you can apply the correct paint. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.